Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Now we start remaining question of the exercise 2.7. There are 4-5 questions and all questions are show that question, prove that questions. So the first is fifth question. X is equal to sine theta and y is equal to sine m theta. And we have to prove 1 minus x square y2 minus xy1 plus m square y is equal to 0. There are two methods. One is that take the value of theta from here and put it here, then simplify. I shall try to solve separately as it is. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to theta. So here you have dx or d theta, that is cos theta. With respect to theta we are doing, so there is no need to differentiate again theta because that will be 1. Differentiate theta with respect to theta, that is 1. So there is no need to write it. So here 1 and 2 both equation one by one. So here dy or dx theta is equal to cos m theta into m theta derivative, that is m. So m cos m theta. Now dy by dx, that is dy by d theta into d theta or dx, that is m cos m theta into 1 by cos, or y1 is equal to m cos m theta divided by cos, this is y1. It is y2 is involved in the proven question, so we have to take y2 as well. Again differentiate with respect to x now. Differentiate with respect to x now. So derivative, first derivative with respect to derivative. So m is constant, so there is a quotient. So cos theta into derivative of cos m theta, that is minus sine m theta into derivative of m theta is m d theta by dx, that is minus sign cos m theta into derivative of cos theta, that is minus sign theta into d theta by dx, whole is divided by cos square theta. So when we take these values one by one here, so we write m into m square, this minus sign cos theta into sin m theta, derivative of theta with respect to x. So we have 1 over cos theta minus into minus plus this m cos m theta sin theta into derivative of theta with respect to, that is cos theta, whole is divided by cos square. This cos theta cancelled, r minus m square sin m theta plus m sin theta into cos m theta divided by cos theta. I can write, and I can also write this one plus sin theta into m cos m theta divided by cos theta. Why I am writing this thing? Because here minus m square sin m theta, that is equal to y, and plus sin theta as it is, and m cos m theta divided by theta cos theta, that is y1. So if you, and this sin theta is x. So this is equation number 3. Here you may write from equation 1, 2 and 3. So what we have here, y2 is equal to and whole divided by cos square theta. So y2 and cos square theta we can also write as square root of 1 minus sin square theta. y2 left hand side is equal to minus m square y plus x y1 whole is divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Square root, there is no need of square root. 1 minus x square. So multiply here 1 minus x square y2 minus m square y plus x y1. So here 1 minus x square plus, so this is what we wanted to prove. Hence prove. Again I try to explain you that x is equal to sin theta, y is equal to sin m theta. Differentiate these values separately here. So we have this value, and then by chain rule we have dy over dx, dy over d theta into d theta by dx. So we use this one, and we have y1 this one. Again differentiate by quotient rule. M is constant, so take it outside. So differentiate, we differentiate this value, and we have ultimately this answer. And whole is divided by cos square theta. So this one is m y1 m square y plus sin theta, that is x, and this complete is y1. So I have written here from equation 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So cos square theta can also be written as 1 minus sin square theta, and 1 minus sin square theta is 1 minus x square. So take this 1 minus x square on the other side and simplify. So this was the question. Question number 6. Try to solve yourself. I solve 7. Y is equal to e power ax b sin bx. This is the given value, and prove that d square y dx square minus 2a dy or dx plus a square plus b square to y is equal to 0. This is what we wanted to prove. So here differentiate with respect to x, that is, so second function into derivative of first e power ax as it is, and then derivative of ax, that is a, plus e power ax as it is, derivative of sin bx cos bx, and derivative of bx, that is b. So in a sequence when we write a into e power ax sin bx plus b e power ax cos bx. This is the first derivative, and here second derivative is involved. So in the answer, so we have to take another derivative again. Differentiate with respect to x. So that is, this is the thing. How to write? Next step I write another. A is constant, so take that product. So again the same method which we have used here, that is sine bx into derivative of e power ax into a plus e power ax into derivative of cos sine bx, that is cos bx into b, plus second b as it is cos bx e power ax into a plus e power ax minus sine bx into b. Open is, we get a square e power ax sine bx plus b e power ax cos bx plus a b e power ax cos bx minus b into a power x sin bx. Now, any one of you is having any problem in this, so again I try to repeat this value, and here I will be also, because a is multiplied with this. So here ab cos bx. So a square and this one is b square. A square e power ax sin bx plus 2ab into a power ax cos bx minus, this can also be written as minus b square a x sin bx. Now, if I write it here, this value 2a square e power ax sin bx minus a square e power ax sin bx, so we can write cos 2a square e power ax sin bx and minus a square e power ax sin bx. When we solve this one, we get this one, 2 minus 1. Remaining is same. Sin bx. Now, I try to rearrange the values. 2a square e power ax sin bx plus 2ab e power ax cos bx minus a square e power ax sin bx minus b square e power ax sin bx. Now take the common value from these two and these two, whatever the common is there. So here we write 2 is common, a is common, e power ax is common. 2a, only take 2a, so remaining is a e power ax sin bx plus 2a is common, b e power ax cos bx. This is the common value from first two, and then these two minus a square plus b square into sin bx. This is the common value, and on left hand side we have d square by dx square is equal to second derivative of y with respect to x. Here 2a, this complete value a e power ax sin bx plus b e power ax cos bx. Question number 1. So here it is dy by dx minus a square plus b square, question number 2, and this one is equation number 1. And this sin bx e power ax into sin bx, that is y, from equation 1 and 2. So take both the values from right to left. Plus a square plus b square into y is equal to 0. So this is the method how to prove the question. Same method, just to look at sin now I try to solve this 9 question here. Question number 9. Y is equal to a cos log of x plus b sin log of x, and we have to prove x square d square y dx square plus x dy or dx plus y is equal to 0. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to a derivative of cos minus sin log of x into derivative of log of x, that is 1 over, plus b derivative of cos sin is cos log of x into 1 over. So if when you write it in a sequence, that is log of x plus b cos log of x whole is divided by x, or it can also be written as x dy or dx is equal to b cos log of x plus a sin log of x, question number 2. So again differentiate with respect to x. Here there is a product now, dy by dx as it is, derivative of x is 1, plus x as it is. Now this is the derivative of y with respect to x as it is. Here b derivative of cos is minus sin log of x into log of x is 1 by x, plus a sin derivative cos log of x into derivative of cos of x is, that is 1 by x. So it is dy by dx plus x the second derivative of y with respect to x square is equal to minus b sin log of x plus a cos log of x whole is divided by x. So now multiplying x on the other side, we have x dy by dx plus x square d square this is a minus, this one is minus, here it is minus, is equal to minus, if we take common and we write it on a sequence, So A cos log of x plus B sin log of x, and this value is y. So x square d square y by dx square plus x dy over dx is equal to y minus y from equation 1. Or this implies that x square d square y dx square plus x dy or dx plus y is equal to 0. So this is the proof of this question. Simple derivate किया, x को दूसरे पे लेकर गए, फिर इसके प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मूला लगाया, प्रोडक्ट रूल लगाया, देयर डेरिवेटिव्स के लिए यहाँ पर सिंपल डेरिवेटिव किया और यहाँ पर इसमें माइनस कॉमन लिया तो ये पूरे का पूरा y आ गया और ये शिफ्ट है. So this is the way how to take second derivative, third derivative, fourth derivative, and how to prove this question. Time is very short for the videos, so उसमें कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम रहती है, बट अगर आपको यहाँ पे कोई भी चीज़ समझ में आए, so you may contact me. I will try to explain you, and inshallah you will be able to solve yourself very easily. Inshallah. Thank you very much.